All right, we are going to go over some of our in the box editing. This is Harper. She did a wonderful job during her session, and we are going to get her out of this box right here because you see she is cut off. We need her hands back. So just like she's popping out of the box here with her little toes there, her foot and her hands, we are going to do this in Canva, and I'm going to show you how easy it is. So my name is Erin, and I am going to show you how to do in the box today. Editing extraordinaire. Okay, here we go. So this is the image that I want. I'm just going to regular click on it. I'm going to drag it down to where it's kind of next to where I want it to be, but not exactly over, because you see it's wanting to clip inside of that box. We don't want that. So I'm going to undo, drag it to where it's pretty close, and now I am going to use the box as a guide. And I'm just going to pull this in to where it is a little bit smaller to size it down. So now that it's close, I am going to turn the transparency down, doesn't really matter what, and then re-click on the image. Then I'm going to use my arrow key, and I'm going to slide this up to where it's now laid over much better. So that was a pretty good guess. Then I'm going to make any adjustments to get that a little bit closer to what the box is, but more importantly, I'm looking at her. Like, is that big enough? Is the foot in the right spot? Because ultimately we want that to be completely over her. So this is close enough. That's where we want to be. We are going to pull that transparency back up. I did do a little bit of brightening on all of these images, so I'm going to go to edit and adjust. I'm going to bring that brightness up. I think I did 8 to 20, depending on how far back she was in the box. That looks great. And now we're going to do the background remover, see what they give us. And that's pretty close. So you can see we're going to get in a little bit closer, and it's not all the way there yet. Control Z on that. So I'm going to click on the image. I can use my mouse key to go over, and it looks like she does need to be a little bit bigger. Slide that up. All right, and so now that does go over all the way. That looks good. That looks good to me. All right, right there, you can see her foot hanging out just a little bit. Got it. Hands look good. Let's zoom out. And that is our finished product. What do you think? Comment below if you think you can do it too, because I know you can.